Hello and good morning, everyone. Welcome to today's market outlook. My name is Edmund. Yesterday we saw the US dollar consolidating at 92.61 levels, and then after in the UK trading sessions, the US dollar strengthened all the way to close to about 93.20 levels before pulling back down during the US market session. Okay, looking at yesterday's economic calendar, there was not much events yesterday. On a Wednesday, it was mostly just the Royal Bank of New Zealand data coming out in the morning at 9 a.m. So that data for New Zealand actually pushed up the New Zealand dollar over here at again 3 plus 6. This is 9 a.m. Local Singapore and Malaysia time, pushing up from 0.6806 all the way to high of 0.6902. Not too bad. It went up 95 pips before consolidating and pushing up again this morning. Okay, so economic calendar wise, that was the main event for yesterday on a Wednesday. And for today, we are looking at a series of minor data, but the focus will be on the UK economic numbers, where we will be having the preliminary GDP data together with goods trade balance. Okay, so today's focus will be at 3 p.m. Local Singapore and Malaysia time, and the focus will be on the UK economic data. Okay, Bank of England Governor Andrew Bailey will be speaking at 4 p.m. and towards the evening we will be having the core consumer price index data and also unemployment claims numbers at 9:30 p.m. Okay, towards midnight local Singapore and Malaysia time, 12:45 a.m. in the morning. In Portugal, the European Central Bank will be having their forum. Okay, it's called the European Central Bank Forum on Central Banking, where three of the major central bankers in the world, Christine Lagarde, Andrew Bailey, and also Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell, will be speaking on the same stage. Okay, so this may cause some volatility towards late towards the night at about, let's say, anywhere from 10 p.m. local Malaysia time onwards. Okay, so yeah, so that is for Thursday and leading up until Friday morning. So again, back to the technical charts. Just now we saw the US dollar finding support at 92.60 levels and then going up all the way to close to 93.20 levels. So as the US dollar was strengthening yesterday, we do see the UK pound moving down during the afternoon session, going down 117 pips, and of course the euro dollar also went down from 1.1823 all the way down to 1.1747. Okay, again with the US dollar index as a benchmark or as a guide, when the US dollar was strengthening, besides the UK pound and also the euro dollar weakening, we also do see gold prices dropping from 1882 all the way until 1856 levels. So this was about $26 drop. Okay, so equity markets are a bit quiet yesterday for the last 2 days. So no major movements or changes on the Dow Jones and also the S&P 500. So yeah, so again today's market focus will be towards the UK session and also towards the US market sessions tonight. Okay, so just a quick look and see. Yeah, pretty standard market day in terms of even in terms of the economic calendar. So nothing much to shout about. Just the usual movements of easily, I think, about 80 pips to 150 pips later on today for the UK pound. Euro dollar should be moving within the range of about 50 pips to 80 pips, and of course gold prices should also be moving within the range of 20 to 30 US dollars. Okay, so US indices very quiet. Okay, so just a short market update for today. Hope you guys have a good trading day ahead, and I'll see you tomorrow for another market update. Thank you and good trading.